Hello, welcome to the session on setting up the development environment for ESP32. In this tutorial, you will learn how to install the Arduino IDE, configure it for the ESP32 board, and upload a basic Blink program to test if everything is okay or not. To begin programming the ESP32, we first need to install the Arduino IDE. Open Google and type Arduino IDE in the search bar. Click on the link to the official Arduino website. Once you are on the software page, scroll down to find the latest version of the IDE. Here we can see Arduino IDE version 2.3.4. Click on the Windows option for version 10 and above. Choose 64-bit. Now scroll down and click on Just Download. Wait for the download to complete before proceeding. Once the download is complete, it's time to install the software. Open the Arduino IDE installer file. Click Agree to accept the terms and conditions. Select the option Anyone who uses this computer, then click Next. Allow the required permissions by clicking I agree. Now click on Install. This may take few minutes. Once the installation finishes, click Finish, and that's it. The Arduino IDE will open automatically. Before we can start programming the ESP32, we need to install the ESP32 board manager. Inside the Arduino IDE, go to the board manager from the panel on the left. In the search bar, type ESP32. Look for the ESP32 board manager developed by Espressif Systems and click Install. This might take few minutes. After installation, the IDE will be ready to program ESP32 boards. Now let's test the ESP32 using a basic Blink LED program. To do this, you will need the following: an ESP32 development board and a micro USB cable. Next, we connect the ESP32 to our computer. For that, take a micro USB cable, connect one end of the ESP32 board and the other end to your computer's USB port. Once connected, the ESP32 should power on. Now let us upload the Blink program to test if the ESP32 is working or not. So for that, open the Arduino IDE. From the top menu, go to the File, then Examples, then Basics, and then click on Blink. This opens the blink sketch, which turns the onboard LED on and off at regular intervals. Before uploading, we need to select the correct board and port. Click on the board's drop-down menu. Search for and select Do It ESP32 DevKit V1. Now choose the correct communication port. Once selected, click on OK. Now click on the Upload button to upload the program. The code will be compiled and then uploaded to the ESP32. So this process may take few moments. After the upload is complete, take a look at the ESP32 board. You should see the onboard blue LED start blinking. This confirms that the setup was successful and your ESP32 is working correctly. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.